Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas Dominus in Roblox. This legendary item is one of the most sought-after virtual collectibles. It was initially available during a special holiday event, making it incredibly rare today. Now, obtaining it primarily involves player-to-player trading. Its extreme scarcity and high demand contribute to its significant value within the Roblox economy. The Christmas Dominus holds a limited use status, signifying that its supply is fixed and no new units will ever be introduced. This inherent scarcity drives its immense value, often reaching hundreds of thousands of Robux. However, the virtual market is dynamic, so its exact trading price can fluctuate. It's crucial to research current market trends to understand its precise worth before engaging in any transactions. To successfully acquire a Christmas Dominus, you'll need effective trading strategies. Utilize well-known Roblox trading platforms and active communities to connect with potential sellers. Your best approach is to offer other high-value limited items as part of your trade. Patience is key, as locating a willing seller might take several weeks or even months. Always prioritize secure trading practices to avoid any potential scams. Protecting your account is paramount when trading for rare items. Never, under any circumstances, share your Roblox account password with another user. Always conduct trades exclusively through the official Roblox trading system, which provides a secure environment. Be extremely cautious of any offers that appear overly generous, as these are often indicators of a scam. If you encounter suspicious users or activities, report them to Roblox support without delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.